Old Bungalow, Dharmshala. This building was constructed in 1916 and served as the officers' mess hall for the British Army camp. During Baba's first stay at Meherabad in May of 1923, he and the Mandali refurbished this building while staying in the post office. During the short summer stay in 1924, the white horse that Mehra gave to Baba was brought here. Baba named him Sufi and kept him on the northeast veranda of the building. Through the years, this building was used for many purposes, but mainly as a residence for the Mandali and a few of the musts. During the first long stay at Meherabad on March 21st, 1925, Baba opened the Meher Charitable Hospital and Dispensary here. It operated for 19 months. During that time, over 7,000 outpatients and 500 inpatients were treated here. Part of the northeast veranda was enclosed to make an operating room where cataract surgeries were performed. A leper asylum was established on the grounds to the east. From the beginning of 1927, this building was used for classrooms for the Hazrat Baba Jan High School. Baba spent many hours grinding grain in the southwest corner of the building during the 1920s. Meetings and music programs would also take place in and around this building. Games such as tennis and volleyball were played on the ground just to the east. Baba referred to Padri, Pendu, Adi Senior and Vishnu as the four pillars of Meherabad after the four wooden posts that held up the rickety roof structure of the old building. In May of 1934, Baba dictated significant, detailed points on cosmology known as the divine theme while staying in the southeast room. Since Baba dropped his body, most of the building has been used as a Dharmshala. In 1982, the southern half of the building was demolished and rebuilt to provide extra space for pilgrim accommodations.